Good morning, students. Today's topic is equations of motion by graphical method. Students, when an object moves along a straight line with uniform acceleration, it is possible to relate its velocity, acceleration during motion, and the distance covered by it in a certain time interval by a set of equations that known as the equation of motion. There are three such equations. These are v is equal to u plus at. It is position time it is velocity time relation, and second equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square. It is position time relation, and third equation is 2as is equal to v square minus u square. It is position velocity relation. Students, these three equations are called kinematic equations. अगर पिछले वीडियो आपने अच्छी तरह से समझे हैं तब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि एक ग्राफ को देखते ही आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि ये एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ग्राफ है और स्ट्रेट लाइन शोज़ दैट द बॉडी इज़ मूविंग विथ यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन. हम फर्स्ट इक्वेशन को डिराइव करेंगे. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज़ v इज इक्वल टू यू प्लस ए टी. इट्स कॉल्ड वेलोसिटी टाइम रिलेशन. सबसे पहले हम एक परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ करेंगे y एक्सिस पर पॉइंट B से, और इसको नाम दिया हमने E पॉइंट. वन मोर परपेंडिकुलर वी हैव टू ड्रॉ एट x एक्सिस एंड विल गिव द नेम C. स्टूडेंट्स, एक और परपेंडिकुलर हमें ड्रॉ करना होगा जिसका नाम हम D दे सकते हैं. अब हम देखें कि जो हमारी बॉडी है वो यहाँ से स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही है. उसकी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है, उसका यहाँ से उसका कुछ मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हो रहा है. इट मीन्स बॉडी इज़ हैविंग सम इनिशियल वेलोसिटी. माना कि ये इनिशियल वेलोसिटी को हम u से रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं, तो OA की वैल्यू u होगी. और चूँकि रेक्टेंगुलर का अपोजिट साइड DC ऑल्सो इक्वल टू AO, सो दिस वैल्यू ऑल्सो वी कैन राइट हियर u. स्टूडेंट्स, अब हम देखें कि ये हमारी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है, और अगर हम फाइनल वेलोसिटी देखें, हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्ट था यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँच गया, फाइनल वेलोसिटी जो यहाँ से यहाँ तक ही, दैट इज़ v. इट मीन्स दैट कि BC की वैल्यू भी v होगी हियर. सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट्स सी OA in this figure. OA is equal to u, initial velocity, it is equal to dc, and OE, final velocity v, is equal to bc. OC is a time taken. So let the velocity of the body changes at a uniform rate, means that body is moving with uniform acceleration. So acceleration is a. From the graph, BC is equal to, here BC is equal to BD plus DC. BD plus DC. BD is equal to, from here BD is equal to BC minus DC. So BD is equal to BC. The value of BC is equal to V. Here this value is V minus DC U. This is our first equation. Now we know that the acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon time taken. It means that acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity, means this is final velocity minus initial velocity is upon t. Here t is shifted here. At is equal to v minus u, so we will get the v is equal to u plus at. This is our first equation. Students, likewise अगर हम सेकेंड इक्वेशन को डिराइव करना चाहें तो सेकेंड इक्वेशन हमारी है s इज इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर. अगेन हम देखेंगे यहाँ इसी ग्राफ में कि जो हमारी सेकेंड इक्वेशन है s इज इक्वल टू यू टी प्लस हाफ ए टी स्क्वायर. So students, our second equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square, that is position time relation. अगर हम इस ग्राफ में देखें तो यहाँ हमको पोजीशन टाइम रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए s is equal to displacement, here it is S is equal to displacement, U is equal to initial velocity, and T is equal to time taken, and A is equal to acceleration of the body. Here in this graph, displacement covered by the body is S in time T. Here we will find the displacement of the body from A point to B. Friends, as we studied in our previous videos that we have to find area under the graph AB. We have to find this area under the graph AB. So S means displacement, which is displacement is given by the area of this trapezium OABC. This is the trapezium. So students, we can see two figures here. One is triangle and another one is rectangle. We have to add these two areas to find the whole area of the trapezium. हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में भी इस प्रोसीजर को फॉलो किया था, सो हमें बहुत अच्छे से पता है. नाउ वी नो दैट द displacement of the body is area of triangle ABC and area of the rectangle OABC. Now we know that area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. In this figure, base is AD and height is BD. So we have to write 1/2 into AD into BD. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length is OC, this is the length and this is the breadth OA. So we have to put this value. Displacement is equal to half into AD into BD plus OC into OA. Now we know that BD is equal to BC minus DC. Here it is. BD is equal to BC minus DC. So we can put the value here. Half into AD. This is AD. And in place of BD we can write BC minus DC plus OC into OA. Half into AD, and we know the value BC minus DC, V minus V, U. BC is equal to V and DC is equal to U. So V minus U plus OC into OA. AD is equal to OD. We know that AD is equal to OD. Here students, AD is equal to OC. Both parallel line. So OC, we know the value of OC. So half into T, OC is a T. Half into T into V minus U plus T, OC is a T into OA. The value of OA is U. Students, half, we can write like that. Half V minus UT plus T into U. Here half V minus UT plus UT. This is our first equation. And from the first equation of the motion, we know that V is equal to U plus AT. So we can shift this value. V minus U is equal to AT. This is our second equation. Now by both equation number 1 and equation number 2, we'll put this value in equation number 1. S is equal to half. Instead of V minus U, we can write AT here. Half AT into T plus UT. Half AT square plus UT. Now we can shift this terms. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. It is our second equation of motion. Students, now we will derive our third equation, that is 2AS is equal to V square minus U square. It is position velocity relation. Here it is. This is our graph. We know that initial velocity, final velocity, and we have drawn perpendicular like this. Now students will see here one figure, this. It is called trapezium. So area of trapezium, we know that the formula, area of trapezium is equal to half into base 1 plus base 2 into height. Base 1 and base 2, two parallel sides of the trapezium. Here, two parallel sides of the trapezium, we can say base 1 and base 2. So base 1 is equal to OA and base 2 is equal to BC. OA is equal to base 1, BC is equal to base 2. Height of the trapezium is OC. We can take this height OC. OC is equal to T. Now we know the formula. Area of the trapezium OABC is equal to half base 1 OA plus base 2 BC into OC, height. Here we'll put the value. OA is equal to U, BC is equal to V, and OC is equal to T. This is our first equation, half U plus V T. And we know the first equation from the first equation of the motion is V is equal to U plus AT. So here T is equal to V minus U upon A. We can do like that. So by the using of these two equation, value of T we can put in equation number 1. Here it is, value of T. T is equal to V minus U upon A. In this equation, half U plus V, and we'll put the value T, V minus U upon A. Students, we can write like that, U plus V, V minus U upon 2A. Here we'll use this formula, A plus B, A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. We can use like this. So here we can write like that, V square minus U square upon 2A, and when we shift these terms like that, 2A will shift here, 2AS and V square is equal to V square minus U square. It is our third equation of motion. Students, ध्यान से पढ़िएगा, अच्छे से समझिएगा. कुछ नहीं समझ में आता है तो आप मुझे कॉल कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.